Do you sell recurring services? QuoteWerks gives you the ability to include recurring services on your quotes and proposals. When building your quote, simply add those services to your quote. Then right-click on the line item and select Line Attributes or the orange A button on the grid toolbar. This opens the Edit Line Attributes window. To configure a recurring service, click on the drop-down next to Is Recurring and select Yes. When you do, additional settings will appear. Here we can set the billing cycle or the frequency of the recurring payments. This can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Under Cycle Basis, you can select how the billing cycle due date is determined. Selecting Start of Cycle will begin the billing on the first day of the next cycle. So if you have your cycle set to monthly, it will begin on the first of the next month. Setting a specific date will begin billing on that date, and the cycle will begin on that date as well. Checking Include First Payment and Document Totals to make sure the customer is charged for the first cycle at the time of quote acceptance. You also have the option to set the contract dates to pull from the document, or you can specify the contract date range. Selecting Use Contract Dates from Document will use those set on the Sale Info tab, while Specify the Contract Date range will use the date set on the Edit Line Attributes window. After you've made your selections, click OK to save your changes. Now, the recurring amount is displayed at the bottom right of the Document Items window. The recurring billing cycle, recurring start date, and recurring end date columns are all available under the Document Items tab. You also have access to all this recurring information in the print layout using the Document Items fields. If we look at the printed output of the quote we just created, you can see that the recurring billing is displayed, indicating the amount due along with the line's billing cycle. And if you're using a PSA like ConnectWise or Autotask, the services will pass into the opportunity or deal as recurring line items. As you can see, quoting recurring services with QuoteWerks is easy. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to contact the team at 407-248-1481.